this video, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks on Google Chrome. It's really easy to do, and it's good for you if you want to save a website and be able to go there really easily, or bookmark a certain tab in a website. So for this example, I'm just going to type in Harry Potter, and I'm just going to go to the official site here. Now to add this to your bookmarks, all you have to do, I have a full screen here, but take your cursor up to the top, and you're going to see all these options here for your Google Chrome, and go ahead and click bookmarks. So what I like to do personally is just to click the option bookmark this tab, because this is the tab you're on, it's highlighted, and this will bookmark by itself. So it will ask you what you want the name, what you want the name to be. I'm just going to hit done, and that way it's in your bookmarks. So from this point, you can go ahead and go back to your bookmarks tab, and it should show up here, but you can go to the bookmark manager as well, and you can decide where you want things to be. So you have the bookmarks bar, that's this stuff here, or you can have another folder if you want to, but that is how you would quickly go ahead and bookmark a certain tab. You can go ahead and bookmark all the tabs if you had multiple ones open, but for a single use, for a single web page, this is a really easy way to do it. So once again, just choose a website, go up to your bookmarks, and click bookmark this tab. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.